Hey YouTube, all followers, click like down here in the left if you, in the right if you like what you see. Today we're gonna be unboxing the Bonavita Bulliori. I'm sorry, the Bonavita Variable Temperature Kettle. Essential features. Anyway. All right, so let's. We're gonna go with. You wanna get a zoom in. So it's got a standard little flap there, and then open it, and then it's a double top box, which generally quality that you get from a company like this. We see you can see it's a little askew because I did already open it before the video, but don't tell. That's just a secret between us on our channel. So, it's got a nice. This also comes digital in the PDF, but you can read this if your internet is out, I suppose. Although then the power would be out, so it would be hard to use. And we've got here. Ooh, it's a nice base piece, which looks to be covered with some. We're gonna leave that over here, and then here is it's for eggs. Cool. Thanks, Internet. Subscribe if you like what you see.